In this video, we show you how to install the BOS Tank Rack Kit Pro on the BMW R 1300 GS Adventure. This is the Tank Rack Kit Pro. Inside the box, you'll find several components required for the installation. We start by removing the rubber protection on top of the tank. To do this, we loosen 3 screws. We will reuse the original bolts, but add the supplied plastic washers. Place the tank rack in position and hand tighten one of the bolts first. Then continue with the remaining bolts. Make sure everything is tightened properly. Repeat this process on the other side of the motorcycle. And that's how you install the BOS Tank Rack Kit Pro. Enjoy your ride.